Have you wanted to offer a PDF download on your website for things like lead magnets, restaurant menus, application forms, and more, but don't know how to link to a PDF? Then this guide is for you. But first, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Mick the WordPress Mentor. I help DIY website creators to succeed with WordPress using Elementor. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be alerted when I add new videos. Before you can link to a file, you need to first upload the PDF to the WordPress Media Library. In the sidebar, go to Media, Add New, then drag your PDF file into the upload area. Once the upload is complete, on the file, click the Edit link. On the Edit Media page of the PDF, select the URL and copy it for the next step. It's now time to insert a button. Open the page or template with Elementor you want to add a button to. Then simply drag the button widget onto your design. In the Edit panel, add the URL that you copied earlier to the URL field and style the button to match your site design. And it's that simple. But keep watching for some more bonus tips. If you don't want the PDF to open up in a preview window and would prefer to force the PDF to download instead, you need to add some text to the custom attribute field. On the button edit panel, click the settings button. Under the custom attribute field, add the following text. Doing this will make sure that the PDF downloads to your computer instead of opening in a new tab. Just remember, this will only work on a computer and it will still load as a preview on your mobile device. By default, the PDF preview will open in the same tab in your browser. So follow these steps to make it open in a new tab. On the button edit panel, click on the settings button, then select the Open in a New Window checkbox. Doing this will ensure that when you click the button, the PDF will open in a new tab in your browser. Thanks for watching. For a detailed walkthrough, please be sure to read my blog post. The link is attached in the description below. Thanks for watching. Cheers, Mick.